Hello everyone, my name is and I'm an XR developer at DCube. DCube is a spin-off company of the Center for Research and Technology here in Greece, and it is based in Thessaloniki. DCube is specializing in cutting-edge quality assurance solutions for diverse industrial domains. To accomplish that, we're using computer vision, machine learning, AI, and of course XR. We're excited to introduce our project, RTXRoom, developed in collaboration with the Architectural Aluminum Academy. Architectural Aluminum Academy, or AAA for short, is a center for innovation and skills development that is based in Thessaloniki as well. So, RTXRoom is an adaptive and collaborative XR training platform designed to transform how industrial workers are trained, especially in the manufacturing sector. It offers immersive 3D training environments, multi-user collaboration, like a virtual classroom, and live remote assistance for trainers to supervise and monitor. What makes it truly innovative is its integration with XR2Learn's personalization enablers, which we hope to achieve, that will allow the system to adapt in real time to each user's cognitive and emotional state. This ensures that every training session is not only effective, but also personalized and engaging. So our primary audience is industrial companies which require frequent training for complex procedures, like the Architectural Aluminum Academy, who face the challenge of training teams that sometimes are abroad for high-stakes projects and the assembly of complicated aluminium systems. Right now, that usually means sending experts on site, which is costly for them and inefficient. RTXRoom solves that by offering remote training and real-time assistance, reducing travel, minimizing downtime, and helping teams learn faster. It also supports a more sustainable and scalable approach to upskilling across locations. So we're really looking forward to seeing RTXRoom grow through the XR2Learn program, and we're excited to share our journey with the community. Thank you.